This is a big mistake. A huge mistake. I don't know why I'm doing this. Welcome to the next episode of The Sims 4 Discover University with Clara. We are starting our next day at university. We're kind of on a break right now, kind of like winter break. And Clara is getting to know some people around the university. This is Arun Bira. Apologies if that's mispronounced. This is a friend of one of her roommates. I don't know who, but he came to visit them, I guess, and now they're chatting. Let's get to know him a bit better. As Clara eats really bad for her food. Where did he go? No! Come back! Oh no. Okay, Clara, it is time to take a shower and start your day. It's a New Year's Eve today, so we can expect a really fun party tonight, and I'm hoping she meets somebody new and maybe has the New Year's kiss. Let's see. Who's this? Debate Showdown Judge. Oh, she's hardcore. Okay. Okay, Clara, you're going to psych yourself up and give yourself a pep talk. Because today you are going out and meeting people and you want to be confident. I am so awesome. I'm so great. I'm gonna make so many friends today. Okay, let's go. We have the entire university to look at. What's going on here?
Bisselfrib, Jibja Pingong, Tigu, Boix. Jaruk.
She just spikes right through them. Of course, Clara. Aren't you cold in that, Clara? It's what temperature? Cool, okay, so it's not bad, but she might get uncomfortable. Vegetables are so much better for you than cheeseburgers. That is so obvious. You shouldn't even need to debate this. Clearly, I am correct. And this guy next to me has no idea what he's talking about. Eating a cheeseburger on an island is the best thing you can do for yourself. There's nothing better than biting into that cheesy burger and feeling the juices fill your mouth with flavor. You might as well be run over by a train because of all of that cholesterol going straight to your arteries. I don't know what I'm doing anymore. Okay. Oh, look, it's Christian. Talk about your dreams, Clara. Another guy with bright red eyes. What's going on here? I never saw this before in older packs. Is this new for Discover University? She's just standing in front of everybody. Oh no. Did he just pee his pants? Well, I'm just gonna walk away from that. Let's go somewhere else, Clara. Where are we going, Clara? Oh, this is so nice and peaceful. The campus is completely empty for winter break. And so she can just have a leisurely ride on her bike along this pond, down this street, and back again. So along means next to. She's riding along this building. She's riding along this hedge of bushes. She's riding towards her house, But that doesn't mean she's going to it. If you remember from the last episode, we just know she's going in the direction of the house. She's riding along this path, turning around and going back. She's riding past her house and going toward the lake. Will she actually go to the lake? Nope. She turned around again. And she's going back to the debate and leaving again. And she found this nice little house that is actually university housing. Maybe someone lives there, some fellow students. So let's go in and see. Knock on the door. Seems like there's somebody already inside. Come on in. It's amazing how you can just knock on a door and be allowed inside a stranger's home, or even want to go inside a stranger's home.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Hi, wanna chat? Perry Boykin and Thiago Cardona. Look at the way he looked at her just now. Tell a joke about mimes. And of course, she's talking about her favorite thing, food, and apparently her fear of marriage. Thiago seems to like that. Tell an outrageous story. She's talking about basketball. One time, she ran straight through the basketball court with a frog. The frog came out and jumped around the entire court. Something tells me that's not true. She's following Thiago almost to the bathroom. Okay. I think she likes him. Let's get to know... Oh no, he fell asleep. Oh, these college students falling asleep all the time. It's crazy. Okay. Who is this guy? I love that I'm just shopping for Sims to be her boyfriend. It's silly. Oh, those pants. Those are very flowery. But then he's all business up here. I'm so confused. Ask about degree.
And Fabi.
He's majoring in history at the University of Rochester. Interesting. So Clara has just heard about a special little get-together at one of the very exclusive sororities. And she thought she might go and meet some people. And she decided to bring Christian Moya, who she's been getting to know a little bit. Let's see what happens. So this is the Pi Kni household. Very nice, right? It's a beautiful home, and they're very, very popular at Brightchester. Everybody knows them and wants to be them. So Clara's just biking straight in like she owns the place. Hi, everyone. I'm Clara. Where do I put my bike? Hi. It's New Year's. This is Brooklyn De La Torre. This is Brooklyn De La Torre. She's a Pi Kni sorority member. She's one of the top leaders, so she's very important. She and her sister are both the leaders and the co-founders of this sorority. And she apparently loves cheeseburgers. They're gonna be best friends. Already talking about food. I think it's because Clara's getting hungry. She has an idea. She wants to go to San Myshuno, the downtown district, to celebrate the new year, and she wants to bring some friends with her. It already looks like one of them is ready to go. This is one of those homes that's just perfect. Look at all of this. It's so nice, well kept up, pretty colors. Everyone is dressed so well. I think Clara really wants to be a member of this sorority. She looks like she's in her element already. So the thing about sororities is you kind of have to get to know the sorority members before officially trying to become a member yourself. And that's kind of what Clara is doing right now. She's partying with them, keeping things casual, just getting to know them. And they seem to be enjoying her company too, so that's very good. This is Lila Kong. She's a newer Pi Kni member, and all she's ever wanted was to be in this sorority. Look who it is, Christian Moya, but he's all dirty. Oh no. Alright, we are going to plan a dance party with some of her new friends. Let's see, definitely Brooklyn. Let's invite Moises just to see, one more chance. Lila, her new friend, Christian, and let's keep it to that for now. Okay, everybody's here. Oh wow, this is crazy. Okay, first she needs to go to the bathroom very badly. We don't want any accidents tonight. It's very important that she keeps up appearances. Okay, let's order her some currywurst. That sounds good. Clara, why are you sitting all alone to eat? You need to go meet people. Oh, but that food is just too important to her. It's all that matters. Let's hit the dance floor. Okay, we're going to have Clara make a New Year's resolution. So a New Year's resolution is a promise that you make to yourself to do something better for the new year. Maybe achieve a goal or get into a better habit. Here are some resolutions we can choose from. Complete an aspiration milestone, so complete one of her big goals. Get a significant other, maybe. Get promoted. Can you get promoted as a student? Raise a skill. Write a book. And these you can't do, I guess. Let's see. I think we should have her raise a skill. That's pretty easy, but right now she needs easy. So raise a skill will be her New Year's resolution. Okay, it doesn't matter if she gets a significant other, but she does need to have a New Year's kiss. Who should it be? Where did Christian go? He's the nicest one so far, and she doesn't have time. He's gone. This is a big mistake. A huge mistake. I don't know why I'm doing this. But desperate times call for desperate measures. And she needs somebody to kiss at midnight, doesn't she? Except she doesn't really seem to care. She's just doing her dancing thing, wishing she could kiss, but it's not a big deal. Plus her dad is here, so it's a little bit awkward. Instead, she's going to do what she does best for her New Year's. Go take a nap. Look who it is. Christian is napping. With Lila. You don't think they're together, do you? That would be very sad. Because I think there is a chance with Christian. Brooklyn's laughing at her even though she was just napping. So the Pi Knis are all about the color pink. They have to wear pink every day to be true Pi Knis. Christian! He still smells pretty bad right now. Guess what my resolution is? I am going to increase a skill level this week. I'm just a little bit embarrassed because I tried flirting with someone and it went terribly, and now I'm just craving grilled cheese sandwiches. What do you think I should do? Well, you should definitely eat the grilled cheese sandwiches. Could I maybe get your number? Of course. I think he likes her. And meanwhile, this dude watches her from the shadows. He's really creepy. We shouldn't have tried with him anyway. He's thinking about her. What the heck is this? Now that she's moving on with another guy, he's suddenly interested in her. How typical is this? And we will leave her falling asleep on the sofa as per her usual. Thank you for watching, everybody. See you soon. Bye.